low tide rolling on a quiet day, wake lines drawn like pencil gray, old pier leaning where the gulls all meet. I'm up here watching every heartbeat. Atlas aerials above the land and sea, harbors and headlands laid out under me. Every rusted anchor, every shining beam. Atlas aerials, you're flying through my dreams. Lobster boats turning at the morning bell, sunsets burning where the stories dwell, church spires rising over weathered towns. I drift past gentle, hardly make a sound. Atlas aerials above the land and sea, harbors and headlands laid out under me. Every quiet inlet, every rolling stream. Atlas aerials, you're flying through my dreams. You walked these docks 1,000 times, knees might ache, but your eyes still shine. So lean back easy in your favorite chair, let me lift you up, I'll take you there. Sea, harbors and headlands laid out under me. Memories in motion, gentle, calm and clean. Atlas aerials, you're flying through my dreams.